So let's get started with the data sources first. So in the data sources, first edition we have is edition of Microsoft Fabric support, which we have. Previously, we had from the Microsoft, we have SQL Server and Synapse. Along with that, now we have connectivity with Microsoft Fabric. So with this connectivity, when there's a data source, you can test your data end to end in the DataOps Suite, and you can create the data flows, and you can create DB flows and all other components, all the features you can use by connecting to this data source, and make sure the quality of Fabric Development Analytics is top class. And moving ahead to the next editions which we have on the data sources area is Oracle Analytics and the publisher support. So coming to this, this enables us to have a connectivity with Oracle Analytics and Oracle Analytics Publisher, these two data sources which we have, and we can connect with the different different connections by to have OS, EOS, or OBI, and it enables to connect to different OA data sources to enable to test this BI reports, and making sure that the reports data validation, we can do it in the DataOps Suite, as well as we can do the other BI related operations or the BI related validations, other components which we have similar to the Tableau and the Power BI, like regression component, upgrade components, and upcoming it would be the stress testing for the OA. So it enables the entire it was part of the thick client where it was supported so far, and now with these inclusions, this complete migration of support of the Oracle Analytics, similar to the thick client, now we have the same support on the web version. That is.
For further questions, feel free to reach contact@datagaps.com. Request a free demo. Scan the QR code below. Thank you.